Happy birthday, Tungtung Sahur. Sexy Tungtung Sahur.
Hi Ma'am Kai, happy birthday. I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you for all you've done since you've been working to Amax, especially on Hikvision products. Your support and dedication as a leader of Amax, Hikvision Mindanao, so much for AB CCTV installations. You've been more than just a friend, a supplier, a reliable partner, always going extra mile to ensure things run smoothly and securely. As we move forward, I just want to wish your continued success, happiness, and good health. Once again, happy birthday Ma'am Kai. Take care always and more lechon. God bless. Happy birthday to you. Bye.
Hi Ma'am Kai, happy birthday! Congrats sa achievement sa life. Then, sa tanan-tanan thank you, especially itong first pa ko sa Vision. Isa mo sa mga best client nga akong i-handle. O, tungod na ma'am sa imong leadership. O, together with Vision, wish na mo ma'am good health and happy love life ahead. Thank you!
Happy birthday Ma'am Kai. More blessing to you and your family ma'am. Remember good na ko to 2023 ba, kabisita ko og office ninyo ug nakailat ka ma'am, naglibot-libot kog Davao, nangita og kanang distributor og mga supplier sa mga existing na mga product o services. Thankfully naas na day si Amax Davao na branch, and atong partnership is na continue na to grow up until now. Daghang salamat kayo Ma'am Kai and sa support sa MOA and kay MRM. Again, happy birthday ma'am.
Ma'am Kai, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And God bless you.
Hi Ma'am Kish, happy birthday! Today is all about you, your life, your journey, and you are an amazing person. I just wanted you to know that we are thankful because of you. We gain our partnership and of course our friendship. May your kindness, dedication, and positive spirit continue to inspire others, especially in your people. Happy birthday, Ma'am Kish. Let me share with you my favorite Bible verse from Numbers 6 verse 24 to 26. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. Happy birthday, Ma'am Kish. Enjoy your day and stay sexy.
Hi, Miss Kai! Happy birthday! God bless! From Iraq, Cebu, ipadala ang lechon!
Hi, Mang Kai. This is the Jet from Radio Network. Happy birthday! I'm wishing you joining for day and continued success, and hope you enjoying your special day.
Ma'am Kai, happy birthday! More partners to come, ma'am.
Ma'am, happy birthday. God bless.
Mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo.
Long live, ma'am. Long live. Long live, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Hi Kai, happy birthday. Wala ko'y wish ni mo kay Marna, manimutanan. And basta stay healthy, more exercise para maratag si Ivana. And then, thank you for your hard work, stay competitive with our competitor, and of course, na-adjust tayo goal per me sa ito ang work. And then, stay pretty, and buutan. Buutan ang hindi manumbag. Huwag masuko. daw. Stay kind always. Butan man ka kay. So, again, happy birthday and Ampi. Bye.
Happy birthday, Bushang.
Ay, Tikisha, happy birthday. Oh, salamat kasi mong natabang sa kuha. Mag-great nas nanay.
Hi anak, thank you for all the care, the love and support that you have given us. I decree and declare that blessings will overtake you and anything that you do will prosper. I wish good health, happiness, and long life. Continue to make Jesus as the center of your life. I love you anak. Happy birthday.
Hello, Siyang. Happy birthday. Tigulan ka na, Siyang. Unsa man, imo kong paanhaon sa Davao? Kay birthday ni mo?
Umuli ka din.
Umuli. Dili. Dito lang na siya. Hello. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to